Yo, what's up mga Encanto? It's your boy A-Tech, Rip and C Tattoo Studio. Hey, for today's video, we've got Arabic tattoo design. Halata naman sa background music, meaning di natin pwedeng sabihin pagkat ito'y illegal na tattoo. And sa mga gantong senaryo, dito na imbento yung salitang patato muna bago paalam. Right? Hindi po tayo konsentidor, gataon lang na pinagdaanan din natin to. Kaya wag tayo ma-disappoint if ever na magpatato ang loved ones natin nang di natin alam or hindi nagpaalam, because as long as they are true to their self, hindi sila maliligaw ng landas. Cause there's a Bible verse that says, "Judge not and you will not be judged." At mababasa mo yan sa Luke 6 verse 37. Tanong mo pa kay Father. At dahil nagbabago na ang panahon, unti-unti na natatanggap ng society ang tattoo as passion or self-expression. I'm not saying na konsentin sila. My point is let them explore and find who they really are, and we're here to guide them. Alright, let me hear you say alien. And that'll be all. Same as usual. After session, linis na. And then balot ng tattoo film. For your tattoo protection, even if you're taking a shower, di mababasa ang iyong tattoo. Flash natin sa screen yung finished product. And shoutout kay ma'am, di natin siya i-mention cause that's her request. And it's your boy A-Tech, Rip and C Tattoo Studio. Peace out.
Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike.